Hello, this is a unboxing of the Midland Micro Mobile MTX115. It is a GMRS radio. It has a nice box, of course, 15 watts of power. Compact design, very small, and that's where it's going to go into my operator 115 ammo can system. Talk to all GMRS walkie-talkies, General Mobile Radio Service is what that stands for. Yes, you do have to license these with the FCC, not necessarily radio, but your call sign. You'll get a call sign and you can license yourself. As I was demonstrating there, they really went all out into the box. It actually has a magnetic catch on the front little flap there. Pretty amazing. I'm going to pull out the bubble pack, which I absolutely hate. Comes with an antenna, a USB charger. I'll have two USB chargers in here. That's kind of cool. So 3 amp one there, and then I'm not exactly sure what the amperage rating on that doesn't say. Here it is, upside down, now right side up. The MTX115 from Midland. So they really went all out in the box. Okay, love it, but my magic finger is going to take care of this once and for all. And voila, it's open. Oh, there's the scissors. Here's the antenna. It's magnetic mount, not much of an antenna. I did buy an extra antenna for it that's made for the actual GMRS radios from a company that makes them. Here's the microphone. Here's microphone mount. There's a automobile power outlet adapter, 12 volt. There's some Velcro. Sorry I didn't get that in the field of view there right away. Look at the microphone. It has a modular plug on it. Plugs into the front of the radio. No, you cannot plug this into your telephone line and talk. So no. Does have a nice positive click to it. Some of these don't have click, and I don't like that because you can actually be transmitting and you don't even know you're transmitting. Comes with a book. Well worth reading through here. Buttons have dual meaning. Some of these do. It is a really well put together machine. I'm not sure if it's like die cast aluminum or what it's built out of, but anyway, it's well built. It's got a heat sink on the back. It's got a mount for it, and it's kind of a quick mount too, so you can just unplug it quick and unhook everything quick. There's got a quick disconnect for the power. Has a SO239 connector on it. Does have a microphone speaker, external speaker. I'm sorry, not microphone, external speaker jack on it, which will be used in the operator 115. Volume knob, power switch, and there is the quick attach part of the radio. So I took that off, and you can see it fits in the palm of my hand. Speaker is on, let me see here. Is that on the bottom or is that on the top? I think it might be on the top. No, it's on the bottom, I believe, the way it looks. So yeah, speaker is on the bottom. Kind of wish it was on the top, but I guess if I were to mount it somewhere, like in a car, I'd have to flip it upside down to be able to hear it. There I have it mounted in my Operator 115. Operator 115 does come with a nice setup there. That bungee cord will kind of hold it from rattling in there. Here is a PL259 to hook up to the SO239 connector, power. Cable red and black. Red and black, I'm thinking, are turned around. Okay, I was pointing out the speaker, extension speaker cable there. There's the power. I think I pointed that out on the Operator 115, that the red is black, black is red. And I called them to find out, not called them, but wrote them, and this Operator 115 company is really fantastic. The Hardened Power Systems company. They wrote me right back, said, no, it's right. Don't worry about it. I think that's the end.